How to recover a deleted TikTok account. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. From this page, you need to tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, tap on the menu at the top right corner. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Report a Problem. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on this button to submit a report. After that, you need to type in the issue that you're facing with your lost account. After you're done typing the report, you can attach a photo of your deleted account or a video along with it, and then hit the Submit button at the bottom. TikTok will get to you shortly with a solution. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and recover a deleted TikTok account.